start. Okay, good afternoon to all. So welcome back to the session of the engineering mechanics. Okay, so in the last class we have seen the equilibrium of rigid bodies. Okay, so here we have seen the what all we studied. Lami's equilibrium. What are the different types of equilibrium? What are the different types of equilibrium? Can anybody tell me? What are the different types of equilibrium?
Stable equilibrium.
Unstable and neutral.
Yes, stable, unstable, and neutral equilibrium. Okay, when it is called a stable equilibrium, when the body comes back to its original position after the displacement. Okay, then it is called as a stable equilibrium. Correct. So if you give the disturbance to this body, it will come back to its original position only. Then it is called a stable. In the second case, when you give the disturbance to the body, it will go away from the original position. Then that is called as unstable. When it is called as neutral, so when a body is in equilibrium, if you give the disturbance to this body, it will occupy a new place and it will get equilibrium. Then it is called as neutral equilibrium. Then what is equilibriant? Equilibriant. See, an equilibriant is a force equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and collinear with resultant. Correct, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and collinear with the resultant. If the equilibriant is added to concurrent system of forces, then the system will be equilibrium. Okay. So what is law of superposition? The action of the given system of forces on a rigid body will not be changed. Action of system of forces on a rigid body will not be changed if we add to or subtract from the another system of forces in equilibrium. Then this is called as law of superposition. Okay, have you written this too?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Have you written this statements and diagram?
Yes,
in
sir.
your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All of you have to write. So what about the two forces, three forces, four forces? In the two forces, one force and another force. Two forces are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and they are collinear to each other. Correct? In the three
Yes.
forces, in three forces में क्या है? Two forces का जो resultant रहता ना, that will be equal to that of your third forces. The resultant of two forces, any two forces, is equal to equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and collinear with the third forces. And what about the four forces principle? The resultant of any two forces is equal to the resultant of the another two forces, that is equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and they are in collinear. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have seen this diagram, this figure we have taken, correct? How many forces are applied here? There is a one string force. There is a weight, and there is a normal reaction from the wall. We have seen from the Lami's theorem. Okay, all of you take down this word. Okay, only write it. Don't take the diagram. I will give the diagram. So just take a cylinder. All of you write down the problem. A cylinder forms 100 Newton.
सर इसे क्वेश्चन करके लिखना है या पॉइंट करके?
नहीं ये क्वेश्चन करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वो है ना. Okay, I will detect. Wait, I will detect. Question number 2. A cylinder of 100 Newton weight. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Resting in channels. Resting in channels. Here shown in figure. as shown in figure. As shown in figure. Find the reactions at find the reactions at contact surfaces. At contact surfaces. Take down the figure. Have you brought pro circle? मैंने pro circle लाने के लिए बोला था ना? Have you taken pro circle? No.
नहीं सर।
हाँ वो लेके आने का ना, वो लिया तो आपको डायग्राम अच्छा से देखते हैं, अच्छा से लिख सकते हैं आप। वो आपको बुक स्टॉल में मिलेगा आपको। सो गो एंड ब्रिंग दैट प्रो सर्कल स्केल के साथ रहते, देखो कंपास के बॉक्स के साथ। Take down this figure. So these are the two channels. Okay, there is a one cylinder. So इस cylinder का contact surface, इधर एक contact surface है, इधर एक contact surface है. You have to determine its reacting contact surfaces. Yes. Roll number 31, Samir, please mute yourself. 31, roll number. Mute yourself. 31, roll number. So I will take the center of the cylinder is O. Okay, this much is given. This angle is given in the exam, in the question paper. In the question, this angle is 60 degree, and this angle is given. It is 45 degree. So this angle is given 45 degree. All of you have written. सब लोग लिखे?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So don't write anything. Just concentrate on the problem. How to solve this one. So what is given in the given? What is given? Weight of the cylinder is given. I will take W. How much it is given? 100 Newton. Okay. And what you have to find out? What you have to find out? To find reaction R1 and R2. Okay. R1 and R2. I have to find out. So this is, you can take it as A point, or you can take it as 1, and you can, this point you can take it as 2. These are the contact surfaces. So for this one, I will draw the free body diagram first of all. So how to draw the free body diagram? This is a circle. So for this circle, there is a free body diagram. Okay. So this is weight. Weight is acting downward, correct? No? Weight is acting downward. And there is a reaction. See. So always there is a reaction at this contact surface. And there is a reaction at this contact surface. Is it correct? Contact surfaces? So at the contact surface, there is a normal reaction. At this contact surface, there is a normal reaction. Okay. So if this is a 45, if this is a 45, when you make this is a triangle, one triangle, so what is the angle made by the reaction with respect to normal? ये normal कितना रहता है इधर? Yes. 90 degree. Okay. Then by considering this angle and this angle, it should be equal to 90 रहने का. Correct. ये दोनों angle मिलके 90 रहने का. इनमें से this angle is already 45. तो what is the angle made by this one? Normal reaction with respect to horizontal.
45.
That is also 45. It means the angle made by the plane, that's this channel, and normal reaction, both should be equal to 90 रहने का. इनमें से already channel 45, it is making 45 degree. So remaining is 45. Next, all of you concentrate. So this is a straight line like this. The channel is making an angle 60 degree. What is the angle made by the reaction with respect to horizontal?
30.
30 degree. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will just okay. So just I will make a okay. This is 30 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. There is a reaction. So when this is making an angle 45 degree with respect to this one. So what I will do? I will just extend this normal reaction till the center. Till the center. Okay, and there is a vertically downward force. Or there is a vertical downward force. Correct. So this is vertically weight is reacting downward. Then what is the angle made by at this? Can anybody tell me?
45.
That is also equal to 45.
45.
45. See, when you consider this triangle, the इधर का कितना ये रहता है angle? This is equal to 90 रहता ना? When this is equal to 90, this remaining is equal to 45. This is equal to 45. Okay. When you consider this one, when you extend this one like this, and this is either I say consider करो. This triangle I will consider. Okay. Inside triangle I will draw like this. I will draw like this. Okay. So this angle कितना रहे इधर? This is 90 degree है. So this remaining angle कितना रहता? इधर 60 है तो इधर कितना रहता?
30 degree.
30 degree. इधर 30 degree है तो what is the angle made by this one?
60.
60 degree. Okay. It means I will write one statement. I will write one statement. Angle made by inclined plane made by inclined plane, angle made by the inclined plane with horizontal is equal to angle made by normal reaction with vertical. Is it clear? Angle made by the plane with horizontal is 45. This is equal to angle made by the normal reaction with vertical. So इधर 45 है तो इधर भी 45 आएगा. इधर कितना है? Angle made by the plane with horizontal कितना है? 60 degree है. 60 degree है तो this is angle made by the plane reaction with vertical. इधर कितना रहता है इधर? This is 60 degree. Is it clear, everyone? हाँ, मैंने इधर सेंटेंस लिखा है करेक्ट देखो. Angle made by the inclined plane with horizontal is equal to this is equal to angle made by the normal reaction. So this is a normal reaction with vertical is same. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Okay, what are the now see, so I say forces जा रहे. Okay, so this is one force, there is one more force. So this is what is the name of this one? I have taken this is R1. So this is R2 and this is you have to tell me what is the angle made by the R1 with respect to horizontal. Horizontal से कितना है? 30 degree है तो what is vertical से कितना रहता? Vertical से कितना रहता? That is equal to 60 degree. Correct, everyone? So this angle made by the normal reaction with respect to horizontal से कितना है? 45 है. So 45 है तो what is with respect to vertical? 45. Is it clear, everyone? So this is weight is acting downward direction. So this is reaction R1. Okay. This is R1. So this is R2. So how to write it? Equilibrium. How to write it? So if you consider this is, I will write like this. I will transfer this R1 to like this. R1 is active going like this. Okay. Then R2 is going in this way. Okay. R2 is going in this direction. Then W is acting downward direction. Okay. Then what is the angle? You have to write it. See, when this is going like this, so it will goes in this direction. Correct? No? ऐसे जाने के बाद ये कितना? This is making an angle with respect to horizontal से कितना रहता है इधर? 45 रहता ना? So what is this angle? Total angle. This total angle is equal to इधर से इधर कितना रहता? Horizontal से 90 degree plus 45. This is 135. Okay, so this angle is making angle how much with respect to horizontal? 30 degree. It means with respect to horizontal it is 30 degree. With respect to W2, okay, this is weight. Weight is equal to 100 Newton. With respect to weight, total कितना रहता है इधर? 90 plus 100, 90 plus 30. Is it correct? This total is equal to
120.
120. Is it correct? 120.
Yes,
So
sir.
this R2 is making this only इतना कितना रहता है इधर? This is 45. The total is 135. Now, if this is a 45, this is 30, then what about I want this angle? How to calculate this angle? This angle is equal to total. I will. This is equal to total. कितना रहता है? 360 minus 135 minus 120. Is it correct? Calculate how much you will get.
105.
105. 105. Okay, that is equal to 105. So this is equal to 105 degrees. Is it? Are you getting all of you?
180 minus 75 पण केलं तरी चालतंय.
Yes. Correct. Good. That is also correct. If you go, that is total एक straight line का कितना रहता? 180 रहता. इनमें से already 45 है इधर 45 डिग्री, इधर 30 है, minus 30 is equal to 105 डिग्री. ऐसे भी कर सकते, नहीं तो क्या ऐसे कर सकते? टोटल इज 360, उसमें से 120 ऑलरेडी है इधर, सॉरी माइनस इधर, ठीक है, माइनस 120 माइनस 120 माइनस 135 भी कर सकते. Okay, that is equal to 105. Okay, this is 105. So what is this? This is R1. This is what? This is R2. This weight is at a downward direction. Are you getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, Abhi, if it is if you have written this one, then how many forces are there? 3 forces: R1, R2, and W. Is it concurrent? Yes, concurrent. Do you know angles? Yes, I know angles.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible to apply the Lami's theorem?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Apply Lami's theorem. So apply Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem. Okay. So as per the Lami's theorem, don't write anything. Just concentrate it. I will write R1 first. Okay. R1 divided by what is the angle made by the R1? Opposite angle. I will erase this one.
135.
Sine 135.
Okay. Sine 135. Sine 135 degrees. This is equal to, I will go, okay, R2.
R2 into sine
R2 divided by into 9 divided by sine 120. R2 का opposite angle 120. This is equal to W. Weight is W. W का opposite कितना?
sine 105.
105. Is it clear everyone? कैसे एक क्वेश्चन आ गया सभी को? ओके, इनमें से सो इन ऑर्डर टू अप्लाई द लेंथ थ्योरम कितना फोर्सेस नोन रहने का? एक फोर्स तो नोन रहने का. R1, this is R2, this is W. Which one is known? W is known. Okay, any two angles should be known. इधर तीनों एंगल मालूम है. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what I will do? So I know W, I don't know R1. So I will consider first 1 and 3rd equation. I will consider 1 and 3rd equation. Okay. So consider, okay, so R1 divided by sine 135 degree is equal to W divided by sine 105 degree. This W के जगह पे that is equal to what I write? What is the weight of this one? 100 divided by sine 105 degree. Okay, then can you calculate R1? R1 is equal to 100 divided by sine 105 multiplied by sine 135. Let's calculate R1. Calculate. Yes, all of you use your calculators. Without calculator, you cannot solve.
73.2.
73.2. Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
73.205 Newton. Okay, 205 Newton. Yes, correct. It is. Okay. So this is the answer for R1. Then R2 find out करने का, R2 find out करने का चाहिए तो I will consider only these two equations. So that is R2 divided by sine of 120 is equal to, what is the W? W I will take, it is 100 divided by sine of 105. Okay, so R2 is equal to 100 divided by sine of 105 multiply by sine of 120. Yes. Calculate. Sine of 120.
9.6.
Wait, huh? Sine of 120. It is R2 is equal to
89.6.
yes, it's correct, Newton. Okay, 89.65 Newton. Are you getting what is asked in the problem? Contact surface normal reaction. Find the reaction at contact surface R1 and R2. So finally you have to write the answers. Answers R1. R1 is equal to this much. R2 is equal to this much. So here what is important? What is important? You should know plane angle. Plane is making an angle theta with respect to horizontal that is equal to normal reaction, angle made by the normal reaction with respect to vertical. Okay, so this is very important. In case आपका जो plane है ना, if this angle is equal to, if it is a 20 degree है तो इधर कितना आता था? Vertical में कितना आता था? 20 आता था. Okay, if this is equal to 60 degree है तो इधर कितना आता था? Sorry, yeah, this is plane angle. Plane angle कितना है? इधर 30 है तो इधर भी कितना आता था? 30 आता था. ऐसे कैसे है सर? You can ask me, no? So if it is a 60, this is equal to 30 आ गया. If this is equal to 30 with respect to horizontal, then this is एक triangle हो गया ना? एक triangle में A1 और A1 दोनों मिलकर 90 होने का रहता. So 90 minus this angle किया तो ये आंसर इधर आया. Okay, so here देखो. So reaction R1 is making angle 30 degree. So if this is equal to 30, then this angle plus this angle दोनों मिलकर 90 रहने का. So 90 minus 30 किया तो 60 आ गया इधर. इधर देखो, इधर 45 है. So this 45 इधर already इधर 90 है. So इस this angle and plus this angle दोनों मिलकर 90 रहने का. ये 45 तो इधर 40 आ गया already. In case this is 40 है तो this is 40 है तो इधर कितना आता था? इधर कितना आता था? 50. इधर 40 है तो इधर कितना आता था? 50 आता था ना?
50.
इधर 10 डिग्री है तो इधर 10 डिग्री है तो इधर कितना आता था?
80.
80 डिग्री आता था. Okay, you should remember, or else you can directly take it as plane angle. Plane angle is equal to vertical angle. वैसे भी ले सकते हैं. Plane angle कितना है इधर? 60 है. Vertical angle 60 आ गया. Okay, just you remember this one. It is going to help you. See, here it is 30 degree आ गया. So when you pass like this, okay, this is making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. Okay, then I want total 90 plus 30. Okay, 90 plus 30, it is 120 आ गया. इधर देखो, इधर कितना था? This R2 is making an angle 45 degree with respect to horizontal. When you pass like this, okay, this is making an angle 45 degree with respect to horizontal. Okay, this is equal to 45 degree with respect to horizontal. I want entire up to W 90 plus 45, correct? That is equal to 135 आ गया. सभी को क्लियर हो गया ये प्रॉब्लम? How to find out this angle? So you can, okay, now you can write, take it down. I'll have it down. FBD of cylinder. I'll have it write down this one.
हो गया सर.
We'll wait for others.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. आराम से लिखो. Roll number 12, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, 35, 36. Fifty-three,
Present, sir.
what is your number?
43, sir.
43, okay. 61, 64. Okay, absent numbers 12, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, 53, 61, 64. Roll number 53, Aman, are you present? 53. 53, Aman. Aman Sheikh. Yes, if you're present, please unmute and tell. Okay, the absent numbers 12, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, 61, 64. Is it completed? All of you read the answers also.
सर 53 भी absent है सर.
53 भी absent है. वो कोई तो है ना इधर. अमन बोल के.
वो 52 है अमन.
अमन 52 है क्या? But change your number no. फिर 52 भी है.
सर मैं ही हूँ 52, 53 अलग है वो.
53 अमन कौन है?
हाँ वो दोनों अमन शेख है. सॉरी.
वो अलग है सर.
52 are you present? 52 अमन शेख.
मैं 52 हूँ. 53 absent है.
53 कौन है? 53 अमन एम शेख.
वो दूसरा है.
Then I will remove him. Who is that?
सर
हाँ.
सर चैप्टर टेस्ट के लिए आपने दिए हुए एमसीक्यू ही इनफ है या और हम दूसरा भी सब करें?
ना मेरा जो क्लास नोट्स है ना, क्लास नोट्स का थ्योरी प्लस मेरा जो एमसीक्यू है ना, दैट इज सफिशिएंट.
ओके सर.
सो ऑल ऑफ यू मैंने अभी अपलोड कर दिया पीपीटी. ओके, एमसीक्यू जो दिया था ना पीडीएफ, उसका ही पीपीटी बना के मैंने विद आंसर्स, करेक्ट आंसर्स मार्क करके मैंने वो टीचिंग डायरी में अपलोड कर दिया. जस्ट वंस इन क्रॉस चेक. ओके, क्योंकि उधर पीडीएफ में जो आंसर्स है ना, की आंसर्स, उसमें थोड़ा 3-4 क्वेश्चंस का की आंसर रॉन्ग है. इसके लिए
उतना ही सर इनफ है ना?
हाँ हाँ सर, बहुत that is sufficient. Okay, so finally write it, R1 and R2. Okay, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will give one problem, you have to solve me. Okay, will you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all of you write on this. Second number, problem number 3, question number 3. Okay, question number 3. A weight of 100 Newton, weight of 100 Newton is attached by two strings. Calculate the tension. In the strings in the strings for the figure given below. Okay, so figure is given, you have to find out the tension. This is one string which is given like this, attached. So there is a T1 is moving like this, tension force. This is tension force 2. This T1 is making an angle alpha angle with respect horizontally 40 degree. This is 40 degree. Then this is making an angle with 50 degree. Okay, this is weight. Okay, this is weight is applied. It is 100 Newton. Yes, determine T1 and T2. Yes, calculate. Determine T1 and T2. How many forces are there, and calculate the angles. Apply Lami's theorem. Tell me the answer, T1 and T2. First, draw the free body diagram. So T1 force is here. This is T2 force. Can you tell me what is the angle between the T1 and T2?
90.
Okay, so this is 40, either 50 hai. So with respect to vertical कितना रहता? Okay, this is 40. 50 plus 40, that is 90. Then एक straight line कितना रहता? That is 180 रहता. So it means the angle between T1 and T2 is equal to 90 degree. 90. I want angle between 100 Newton force and T2. What is this one? That is equal to 90 plus 50. That is 140 degree. So this is equal to total. This is 90 plus 40. It is equal to 130. Okay, so apply. Consider free body diagram of strings apply Lami's theorem. So that is T1 divided by sine of T2 divided by sine of 100 Newton. Weight is 100 Newton divided by sine of. Roll number 41. Saurabh, tell me, unmute and tell me what is T1 divided by कितना लिखने का मैंने इधर. Roll number 41. Saurabh Gatule. Saurabh, please unmute and tell me. Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, tell me कितना लिखने का थीटा वैल्यू T1 डिवाइडेड बाय कितना लिखने का. Is it visible now? Screen.
Yes, sir.
Are you there in the class or no?
Sir, 40.
इधर कितना लिखने का? 40. How much I need to write? You are not in the class. Turn on your video. Video turn करो. क्लास में नहीं है ना? सो कितना लिख T2 डिवाइड बाय कितना लिखने का? राहुल 37 राहुल
140.
यस 140. यस सौरभ क्या हुआ आपको? Why you are not attentive? This is 140. Then roll number 39 Sushant, can you tell me T2 divided by कितना लिखने का?
T2 130.
130. क्यों 130 क्यों लिखने का 130 इधर?
Opposite angle.
T2 फोर्स को अपोजिट इज 130 है इसके लिए. T1 फोर्स को अपोजिट कितना है? 140 है. सौरभ आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir.
हाँ अभी
Yes.
बोलो 100 डिवाइड बाय साइन ऑफ कितना लिखने का?
90.
आर यू सौरभ? हाँ
Yes, 90.
90 अभी वो बोल दिया ना, इसके लिए बोल रहे क्या?
नहीं सर, अपोजिट एंगल आया ना.
हाँ 100 का अपोजिट कितना है? 90 है इसके लिए. हाँ
Yes.
नाउ टेल मी व्हाट व्हिच टू टर्म्स आई नीड टू कंसीडर. कौन कौन सा? अभी 3 इक्वेशंस आ रहे हैं. ओके 2 टर्म अननोन है T1 एंड T2. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? नेक्स्ट हाउ टू सॉल्व इट? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है सौरभ? साक्षी 43 roll number 43 Sakshi. Next what I need to do? Sakshi, yes, tell me what I need to do. T1 and T2 कैसे फाइंड आउट करने का? This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Third term में 100 is known, sin 90 is known. First term में T1 is unknown, second term में T2 is unknown. So consider first and third. First and third. So consider first and third. First is what? T1 divided by sine of 140. This is equal to 100 divided by sine of 90 degree. So calculate T1 is equal to 100 divided by sine of 90 into sine of 140. How much you will get? T1 equal to, calculate.
76.60.
Yes, 76.60. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
76.60. 76.60. सब लोग करेक्ट आ रहे हैं आंसर? 76 और 64?
64 है सर.
64.
1.27.
T1, I am asking T1. T1 is 64. T2 is 76.
27.
T1 is correct. T1 is 64. T2 is 76. T1 is equal to 64.27. 64.27. Correct. Calculate करो ना.
Yes sir, correct.
Next क्या है? Consider first and third, second and third term. Okay, second is what? T2 divided by sine of 130 degree is equal to 100 divided by sine of 90 degree. So now you will get a T2 is equal to, that is 100 into sine 130 divided by sine 90.
तो sin 90 1 असतं मग sin 90
sin 90 is 1. So sin 130 into 100 कितना आता है देखो?
76.60.
76.60. Yes, 60, correct. Newton. Okay, so like this you have to take. This is T1, this is T1 and T2. Is it clear everyone? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now what you have to write? You have to write the answers. Answers you have to write. The answers. So that is tension in the cable. Tension in the cable or string. Cable, or he has given string. Okay, string T1 is equal to T2 is equal to. Okay, you have to write like this. Is it clear, everyone? Is there any doubt? किसी को doubt है क्या? Okay, write down first.
सर वो एंगल किस लिए फिर से बताइए.
हाँ, ओके. इन द प्रॉब्लम, ये प्रॉब्लम में ऑलरेडी दिया उन्होंने. दिस एंगल, ओके, दिस एंगल इज 50 ऑलरेडी उन्होंने दिया, एंड आल्सो ही हैज गिवन दिस एंगल आल्सो 40 ही हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन. ओके, सो इधर ये दोनों एंगल इधर ऑलरेडी दिया, तो ये 40 है, इधर 50 है, दोनों मिलके कितना हो गया? 90. सो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, तो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन का इंटीरियर एंगल कितना रहता?
180.
180 में से ये 90 में माइनस किया, तो ये एंगल कितना आ गया? 90 आ गया. ओके, दिस इज 90 आ गया. नेक्स्ट, आई वांट T2 एंड W, दिस एंगल आई वांट. सो इनमें से ऑलरेडी दिस इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल, वेट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल कितना रहता है इधर?
90 डिग्री.
90 डिग्री. 90 प्लस 150 दैट इज इक्वल टू 140. ओके,
Yes, sir.
सो दिस इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल से कितना रहता है इधर एंगल? 90. 90 plus
90
140.
plus 40.
That is equal to 130. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the angle? किसी को doubt है क्या? Yes, answer. So T1 is 64, T2 is 76. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Can I go for next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take down. This is important
Yes.
for the examination. Okay. So question number कितना?
4.
So okay, question number 4. So write down. Two identical cylinders. Two identical cylinders. Two identical cylinders. Each weighing 500 Newton. 500 Newton are placed in a trough. Full stop. Determine the reactions. The reactions developed at a contact surface. Developed at a contact point. A, B, C and D. Assume all points of contact are smooth. Assume all points of contact are smooth. Whenever all contacts are smooth, ऐसे बोले तो there is no friction. Okay, friction नहीं रहता उधर. So this is the figure he has given. Okay, so both are same. So both are same, and this line is almost, it is touching. This line is touching to both the cylinders. Okay, correct. Okay, both the cylinders are same and the line is touching to both. So he has given points. So what are those points? So this cylinder is, this is first cylinder he has taken. Oh, okay. This is second cylinder. This is its center. So he has given the point A. This point is A, and this point, contact point is, this is B, and this contact point is, this is C, and this contact point is, this is D. Okay, so this plane is making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. So this is the given figure. Okay, so you have to draw free body diagram. So in order to draw the free body diagram, I will draw the sphere or circles. Okay, as it is, I will take it in a larger manner. Okay. Consider both are in the same size. Okay, have you drawn this figure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't write anything. Okay, just concentrate at the board. Just concentrate, all of you, how to solve this kind of problems. So there are how many bodies? How many bodies?
Two body.
Two bodies.
Two.
Okay, until now you have solved the problems by taking only one cylinder. Means one object was there, one body, and on that body, how many forces were there? You have taken. Now there are two bodies, connected bodies. So I will consider only first one. Okay, first. So this one is first cylinder. I will take its center is O1. इसका weight downward act हो रहा है. So weight is acting downward direction. So the weight is acting downward direction. Okay. So where are the contact surfaces? इसका contact surface कहाँ पर है? It is A में contact है. Correct no? Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So when there is a contact surface in the A, then there will be normal reaction. ऐसी normal reaction रहते. So
Yes.
I will draw. So this is normal reaction at A. Okay. Next, again there is a contact surface B. It means there is a reaction at a B. Correct. So this reaction at a B, I will write like this. So reaction at B, I will write like this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So is there any other force which is acting on the cylinder 1?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Only there are these many forces. Okay. These three forces are there in the cylinder 1. Okay. So we can apply the Lami's theorem here. When you consider the another cylinder, so that is cylinder 2. Okay. Cylinder 2. This is cylinder 2. So how many forces are there? There is a C. Correct. In this C, there is normal reaction. Correct. So that is normal reaction at C point. Okay. Next, again, is there any other force? The weight is acting downward direction. Weight is acting downward direction. Cylinder ka. Next, is there any other forces?
B का sir.
Yes, D. At the D point. At a D point, there is a normal reaction at a D point. Correct. Again, there is a B point. B is whatever the force here B hai na, the same force is there. Here jo hai na, that is the same. So that is acting at this point, B point. This is RB. Okay, this is RA. This is weight of the cylinder. How much it is? 2 identically is given. This is 500 Newton. This is also acting 500 Newton. And this is which point it is? RC. And this is RD.
D.
Okay. Next, we have taken all the. Okay. Means cylinder. This is our center. I will take it is O2. Cylinder 1 is subjected to how many forces? How many forces?
3 forces.
3 forces. Cylinder 2 is subjected to how many forces?
3.
Cylinder 2. Cylinder 2 is subjected to 4 forces. 4 forces. It means where we can apply the Lami's theorem. कौन सा body को Lami's theorem
Second
apply कर सकते हैं? first को
हाँ फर्स्ट को उसमें 3 है yes,
only 3 forces are there
Yes,
and
sir.
they are concurrent. अभी second cylinder में देखो इसमें कितना forces है? There are 4 forces. Can you apply this Lami's theorem to second body?
No.
no
We cannot apply. Okay, so this is free body diagram. Okay, this is free body diagram. So now what I will do, I will take first one. So consider free body diagram of cylinder 1, FBD of cylinder 1. Okay, so I will consider this one first one and I will write all these things. Okay, so this RA is making in which angle with respect to horizontal? Horizontal से कितना angle है? And see here. So this is RA, correct ना? This plane is making कितना angle है? 30 degree. This angle is how much it is?
60 degree.
60 degree. This angle 60 है तो with respect to vertical से कितना रहता है इधर?
60.
Same.
30 degree. The plane angle is 30 है तो इधर भी 30 रहने का ना? Correct?
yes sir yes sir
So check the last statement in the previous slide. What I have given either. So angle made by the inclined plane with horizontal is equal to angle made by the normal reaction with vertical. Correct?
yes sir
It means angle made by the horizontal plane कितना है? 30 degree है. It means with respect to vertical में कितना रहता है? 30 degree. Okay.
30 degree.
It means this is equal to with respect to horizontal. This is 60 degree. इधर 60 है तो इधर कितना रहता है इधर? This is 30 degree. Everyone, is it clear? सभी को clear है?
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do? I will pass this RA to in this direction. Okay. I will draw that. So it is passing like this. Okay. And weight is acting downward direction. Weight is acting downward direction. And another RB force is passing in this direction. Okay, so now RB का कितना है angle? RB का with respect to horizontal से. See, RB is in this direction, correct? No? Or if you concentrate here, RB is here. Okay, so this is also making an angle how much? This plane is making an angle 30 degree है तो this is
30.
making an angle 30 degree. It means with respect to horizontal, it is 30 degree. So when you pass like this, with respect to horizontal से कितना रहता है इधर? 30 degree रहता.
30
Okay, I want total angle. How to calculate total angle? So this entire angle I want.
120.
That is
90
30 plus
plus
90.
120.
That is 120. Is it clear?
yes
Everyone?
sir
Okay. This is angle. This angle is making an angle 60 degree. RA is making an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. So when it passed like this RA. So this एक angle कितना रहता? 60 रहता.
60.
Correct? 60 रहता. I want total angle. How much it is? Total angle.
120
90
60
plus
plus that is 150 degree.
150.
Is it correct, everyone?
yes sir.
So
Yes,
this is 30 degree. I want total is 120 degree. Only this is 60 degree. I want total is 120 degree. Then what is the angle made by this one? Okay,
90.
that is I will
90.
erase this one. Okay, don't get confusion. That's why. Okay, so confusion नहीं होने का. Okay, so now अभी कैसे फाइंड करने का? Next remaining angle. So this is 120 आ गया. This is 150 आ गया. Remaining is 150 plus 120. 150 plus 120 that is 270. 270. 360 minus 270. That is equal to 90 degree. So
90
this
degree.
remaining is 90 degree. Is it clear, everyone? सभी
Yes,
को clear
sir.
हो गया?
yes sir
So this is RB force, this is RA force, and this is weight. Weight is how much? It is 500 Newton. सभी को clear हो गया? This is
Yes.
okay. Now apply Lami's theorem. Apply. Don't write anything. Okay, just concentrate at the board. So apply Lami's theorem. Theorem. Okay. Now tell me one by one. So first of all, I will consider RA force. RA. Tell me. Divided by sin
Sin 120.
120. Good.
120.
This is equal to RB. RB divided by
150
Sin 150.
150.
sin 150. RB का opposite force is 150. Okay, good. Next. So weight is
500
500 divided by 90 degree.
90.
Sin 90 degree.
90.
Okay. So either next what I need to write? I have to consider
A और
which force?
500 को
So
लेना
I will consider RA divided by sin 120. I will consider this which is known. This is known. 500
500
divided
up.
by sin 90 degree. So when you solve this one, you will get RA. इसके कैलकुलेट RA कितना RA? Check it, all of you.
433.0.
Yes, is it correct? Whatever I have written. 433.33.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next consider another two terms. Okay, next consider another two terms. So what is that one? So this is one you have consider. Next I will consider RB divided by sine of 150 degree is equal to 500 divided by sine 90 degree. So consider calculate RB. What is the value of RB? RB calculate karo.
250.
Yes,
250.
Newton. Okay, RB is equal to 250 Newton. Is it clear, everyone? RA and RB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so after calculating RA and RB, see in the figure. So here RA you got and RB you got. Now consider free body diagram of which force? Second cylinder. Iske upar there are 4 forces. Okay. So you cannot apply Lami's theorem. What you have to apply? You have to apply the resolution of forces. Okay. So how to apply this one? So I will draw the same. See, whenever you consider RB force for the cylinder 1, that is towards the cylinder 1, the same force will act on the cylinder 2 because they are interconnected. No, the same force is acting on the cylinder 2 also. So when you consider RB, that is a free body diagram of second cylinder, this is acting towards this cylinder, the same force only. So I will draw the same figure here. Okay. So first I will draw the lines. Okay. Or you can draw the cylinder only directly. Oh, it's already time up. Okay. Okay. How to solve this second one is I will take in the next class. Okay. Everyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What you have to do? I will upload this video. You have to rewrite this one. Okay. All this one you have to write up to this much. Okay. How to apply the equilibrium equation for the cylinder 2? We will take in the next class. It's already time up now.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
just
sir.
watch this video once again, and you have to write up to cylinder 1. So we will take next in the next class. Okay. So now I will stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you all.